We're teaching her to stop, doop, 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 push, push, push. We're teaching her just to glue her nose onto the target, and then we'll transfer that to the leg. So the other thing is, you see how her legs, she's kind of have them spluted out in the back there. She needs to work on some more physically improving the structure of her back end. And so this is a much better sit position. So when I see her legs kind of spreading out like that, I'm going to ask her to either get off, come here, off, good, up, yes, and then readjust, or have her stand. Okay, we just don't want her to rehearse having those back legs go out. So those are the couple things that I'm looking at right now. So the back legs are too far out. That's better. That's better. Good girl. Yeah, nice. Good job. Okay. She's so cute. Yes, that was really good. Good girl. Yes, good girl. So she is a try hard. She likes to work. She will work for food and she will keep trying. So I'm just waiting for the perfect moment. Yes, for her to keep that nose glued here. So I'm not looking for boop, boop, boop. I'm looking for nose glued. That was a boop. That was a boop. Yes, that was a glue. Good girl. Very nice. Her legs are kind of moving out a little bit. So stand. Stand. Yes, good stand. Very nice. And we'll practice this way. Yes, good girl. Just be patient and wait for that perfect nose glue. Yes, that's my girl. Yes, there it is. Beautiful. Too pushy? Too pushy? Yes. So I don't know if you saw it there, but she took like a big, deep breath and then nailed it. So, yeah, she's like, okay, okay, well, that's not working. That's not working. That wasn't working. So, fine, I'll try this. And then I get food. Good job. Maybe I'll actually use my brains. Use that brains. You got brains in there. You got good brains. Yeah, that was good. Yes, good girl. The other thing is make sure to have this not up here, because if it's on up here, she's going to nudge, want to hit it with her nose up. So you want to make sure it's right in front of her face. Yes, good girl. Good job. And that leg's starting to come out a little bit, so let's do a stand. Yes, good girl. Yes, it's not a big deal. A lot of dogs, especially younger dogs, have kind of the back end start to sploot out. I just don't like to rehearse it, right? So if you see them starting to spread out, like I said, yes, just reposition them. Okay, and then I'll work on some exercises to kind of build that back end strength. Too pushy, too pushy. Yes. Leave it. Yes. Yes. Woo! Look at her. Wow. You hear the garbage truck? You hears it? Yes. Woohoo! Nice, ma'ams. She is so impressive. Yes. Nice. Beautiful. So she's understanding the glue. Yes. Much better. Yes. Wow. Look at her go. Look at her go. Leave it. Yes. Good. Leave it, ma'am. Impressive. Yes. Good. So she is getting it. Now I see that piece of food on the floor. We're going to leave it. Yes. Good girl. So we're going to keep doing this for like 2 weeks till she's super solid, nose glued on that target. Yes. All right. No more forceful booping. And then we're going to get closer and closer to the body. But she's not ready for it now. Yes. Nope. Too pushy. It's got some good distractions. This is also the time to desensitize. Yes, with noises. So right now you can see that she's a little distracted by the sound of the garbage truck. So if you have a dog who's like scared or weird with any noises, this would be a great time while you're training to, yes, put those noises on in the background at a really low level. So put barking dogs in the background or squeaky noises. Go on YouTube and just find some dog noises or fireworks, thunderstorms, and keep training with them. Yes, you want to keep it at a low enough level so that they're not too distracted, right? So put the barking noise, dog noises on uh, real quiet and keep training with her. Yes. And then slowly turn up the dog noises as she gets used to them and is no longer like, oh, what's that noise? What's that noise? What's that noise? So anything that your dog is weird with can be, yes. Say they're scared of a balloon. Put the balloon on the way on the other side of the room and train with them, right? So they're focused on something. They're focused on training. They focus on using their brain. And then they're starting to realize that that thing's not so scary. That's way over there. Yes. Nice, ma'am. Too pushy. Leave it. Yes. Awesome. Yes. Yes. Wow, ma'am. That was really good. We're done. We're done. We're done. That's so impressive. I'm so impressed. I'm so